Do you like my client?
Not particularly, no.
Do you think she's a good lawyer?
Think she wins cases.
So you thought the firm would be better off without a good lawyer who wins cases just because you happen to hate her?
Didn't say I hate her. You're putting words in my mouth.
Well, then how about we use some of your own?
8 years ago, you fired an attorney, listed a reason in her paperwork, and then she sued you. Isn't that right? Don't look at them. Answer the question. Were you sued for wrongful termination?
Yes, I was.
Fantastic. Because I happen to have my termination paperwork here today. Would you mind telling the court what you listed as cause?
I didn't list a reason.
And I bet I know why. Because you learned you don't need a reason. But if you give one, you better damn well be able to back it up.
Objection. Now who's testifying?
Did you or did you not look me in the eye and say the reason you fired me was because you knew I had crossed a line?
I did.
But you didn't know. You had no proof. And when I pointed that out, you said you didn't care. Isn't that true?
You're not giving the full context.
The context is you wanted me gone because you think I'm an asshole.
I never said that.
No, your lawyers did. But one of those lawyers just took a road trip with my client to find her father. The other invited her to his wedding.
None of this has anything to do with...
My character? It sure as hell does, because I had friends at your firm. Miss Richardson, do you?
It's not my job to make friends.
And is that why, 2 days ago, your own lawyer publicly stated that you are a bitter, vindictive woman who is hated by everyone at your firm? He did say that, didn't he? And I remind you, you're under oath.
Yes, he did.
Well, then who really deserves to be fired? The lawyer who wins cases and has friends, or the one who lied about why she let my client go?
All right. We're going to talk about what happened in there, and we're going to talk about it right now.
What's to talk about? It was an effective cross. You think they were just going to lay down?
What I think is you're going to prove she fabricated that evidence because it's the only way we can win.
No, it isn't. And if it was, we never would have taken this deal.
Well, you did take this deal, and they just made me look like shit.
I get it. This is because they embarrassed you, and now you want payback.
This is because you all cheated, and I'm not letting that stand.
What the hell are you talking about?
There is no way they would have known about that previous lawsuit if you hadn't fed it to them.
We didn't feed them anything.
Then how in the hell else did they get it?
I don't know. Probably the same way we did.
Which is how?
None of your goddamn business.
Well, they didn't just have that. They had direct quotes from the mock trial, and there's only one way they could have gotten that. Someone told them. So, I don't give a shit if you think I'm changing our deal or not. Tomorrow, when we go back in there, you're going to prove she crossed that line.